Nidon hani po Vienna, Austria. Học ni phi ông sang Korean prank ka badan kam ray kum ju ru Korean ka se. Yo dep tan. Da singi link yo shapo ka Indian Embassy ni po Vienna. Thì ni link ka don ka reception da singi chi link tai. Oh shu brio. Ale. Ai. Bro. Ni full dress there. Full dress, man. What? Fika pela?
Hah?
Fika pela?
Ngadon.
Oh, sekarang sing surah ekstra. Nice.
Perkat awal high
black
speed
one.
full
black.
Yo, dep artat.
Oh yeah.
Ay, Jenny. Ay, con trai Queen.
Em ngáp vào không phải đi nhà lá đi nè đó.
Nó mau lai.
Ngắm đấy nong mau lai.
Ôi.
Khen bên như nong mau lai.
Em ti.
What has nong mau lai got to do anything
Lah
with?
de, tengi kita mau lai kita cikit sini pakai sebelah. Malan jo sini ngau ngau banra yu kem khamsha, ilok khamsha. Ni. Kita ni po Vienna, kan ni kedai. Ha pedeng jo keri Europe bro khat jingiwan ban ya. Riam haban dahun ni. Hai jingkan bak kraw lele te. Melong rang tu. Oh gila idon ni bro lai teli region khasi jantia bagaru.
Come there, we'll walk, everyone.
Yeah, we will walk there. Hey, Pishni.
I'm feeling bad for the people waiting.
They get drunken.
Yeah, better we walk this side
Don't
them.
cross.
Up, wait, man. We walk that side because ke dan orang dan ding dan itu. I'm that.
Someone orang start again.
Bangun jarak.
Woi.
Come.
Ya. Insyaallah. Kejeng ya. Hang ni kan hapur bayat ni kan ngan iu ngan ring video. Apa. Apa sih am? Am dat.
Kekali ke apa?
Ha, em hapur ba green kan. Ya kan. We'll take a tram from here.
Yeah, wait.
Yo, ada perkat. This is the tram. The tram's coming. Fast. Yeah.
Yeah, cigarette.
Huh?
A cigarette, man. Yeah. Come stay. Gila kelahiru yang ni. Tika lem lu beri rumah ni. Bintang ya ni. Ya dengan din kini ang beri di syam tak hai. Bentar kila epet jo hari kini. Ha? Ha. Hai ingin ya. Hari nah ni. Oh, sisa mo. Oh ya kan.
Samuel, laufen weg.
Ba khrao ti ki ang lu bro. Kila ya ma. Ken ma bi ba khrao. เป็นมาไปบักคราวโอ้ดีบักคราวเป็นมาบักคราวya sih ya Yo deb bakrau yo deb kani ke percaya Jui ti kia kibam pajui ya kani ke riam di ke long khalalu bro ke nong le yu tip ni kit yu kani ai khanya Nah, nang ni sini ya. Betul ni ya, nang ni syawai berkerja kah?
Tiba dah jajatan.
Oh yes. Huh?
I hope I also stand here.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, wait,
You
wait,
are.
I can bring so fast. Right?
Kecing ya pet di beauty, bro. Lang ni nginilit siya ka embassy jong kari India. Inong ang ini tis long ba kumhang ni. Hey niya. Ano katri?
Which side?
Ini net. Oh yes. Come on.
Mana boleh spam tu? Mana boleh spam pada sini?
Bakrau.
Minha filha tengah aktif.
Alright. Bakrau again. Hey bro. Where you from, brother?
Garo Hills represent.
Hey, so nice. Oh, di lihat ya dep ordat.
Vogue Theater.
Hah?
Vogue Theater.
Ya.
The third one, no?
Yeah. Get it fast.
Kelak. Kat ni ke biang haras distance. Jalan late. Okay now. Shoo. Cái cái đi sạc con. Yo dep akan. Yo dep. Hai rung kham yo hire ka badai ngapai man sidu sakhamat ba kali ba te yes come fast ali sorry ya ni mat
India.
oi
So we have Google
Ano laman dia?
She's like telling us to go
this the
around the block.
look at this lama India
What?
that Indian flag
Yeah, that's the embassy.
yeah oh that's them see what
Yeah, why did you think that we put an Indian flag there?
ali where exactly
Huh?
I mean where do you get in from
I don't know it. Not from the.
where do we cross that side Bakrau yo pisai oh boy
Ask
What?
Jen, ask him.
where exactly
So yung way down.
Kadang ni sih ha Nidan niru na kaliang jong ka jalan nagalan lu lawan join na bagi it's open
No, yeah.
we have to press the...
Yeah, we have to press.
Alright. Apa ini po? Alright. Apa yang ni? Sa sepang ni kelas ni apa ni kong sama ni? Mak kau isu pun pihak aku pun tim dong na.
Mas aku kalah kawan.
Ya.
The opportunities for Indian startups in Austria have also brought into sharper focus following the visit of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, to Austria in July 2024. Innovation economy is the gateway, and through platforms like the Austrian Business Agency and Vienna Business Agency and dynamic VC networks like GIN, Austria welcomes startups from every corner of the globe. For Indian entrepreneurs, this means access not just to capital, but also a deeply collaborative ecosystem that values.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jennifer Siam. I'm the co-founder of Laichaprang Handicraft. We are dealing bamboo and kin product. It is sustainable and eco-friendly products. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Khrao Bor Bhakarpuri and I'm from Shillong, Meghalaya, and I'm the founder of The Chicken Wagon, which is Shillong's first food truck. So as a team, what we do is like we have a food truck in the city and we sell our fried chicken, French fries, burger, but it sounds too, in Australia or any place in America, there are lots of food trucks, but for us, it's the first food truck. So we are the first one to set up the food truck, and we are taking all the, the chicken, the French fries from the farmers directly, and we are giving it to our customers. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, very good afternoon. My name is Vernon Rani. I'm founder of a media startup called VoxQuest Media based in Shillong. We focus in digital marketing, focusing on influencer marketing and using social media as one of the tools that we can spread the message, awareness, and also empower farmers, the farmers community, students, and the entrepreneurs to brand themselves digitally, and so that they will be discovered in this global village, which is the digital space and the internet. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Yaisha Abai, and my startup name is Airweave Private Limited. So at Airweave, we are committed to reviving traditional aerosol production and handloom weaving for sustainable livelihood of our community. And right now we are working with more than 150 women, and we are here looking for market connect.
These entrepreneurs who are here, they have been incubated by Prime. It is the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya's vision that the young people of Meghalaya should have exposures and they should dream big. So I think while they have spoken about the technical details of their startups, I think our goal with this delegation is to sow that seed of ambition and inspiration that the world is their canvas, and what better than Austria, which is such a melting pot of Western Europe, Eastern Europe, America, and the entire world is here. So we're very grateful for this opportunity. Thank you to the embassy here for facilitating our journey here. Thank you to the Indian officials like Mr. Ajay for ensuring that we all have been able to reach here. So thank you so much, everybody, and thank you so much. Cheers. Yeah, see you.
We would also request these gifts for Ajay. Ajay, thank you so much. This is a small token of appreciation from us. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Adin kanus ngishu mentang yang ya kijing bam nang ni na po nari sungi utau de Singara. Nice. Kijing bam sungi na sitay. Di no siya di kniat na tayo bam Singara no. Haha. Very good. Naru bawan Rohdin kanusu ya bam jing bam India. Besat benda muslim-muslah. Ni semusa. Dia kedok. Ni ngam tip dia berjerengam. Ngam tip dia berjerengam. Macam ba mi ba krau ni dia kalau mesti kai ba. Oh kale pek. Paling khan je. Kong yesha de jan kersa baik. Kong yesha jan kersa. Ikong jan kersa. Oh damn. Macam lihat style jom berapa buruk-buruk ni nong Nagaland di Pong. Daka jan Pong jongki. Ni khasiru ka jan Pong jongi. Ikong hang ni la Pong style ba. So nice. Tak kadang mentang ni yat ni lek kom ki model bet mentah surok. Ya ini show bet. Menel ni ngilai you ding, ngilai lek model dia surok ni lah siapa je gitu. Oh. Oh. Ana. Mesti sendor mentah ada ya sak. Ya dah grup itu tu sering video dengan tu one besar. Rasa. Sepet. Ngidan hani badi kinan nang tena Garo Hill sebelah riam badi ka riam tenrai jongi ban peniru ya kai ke ba ke culture jongi ke don ban peni sha ke perthai kinan how do you feel after wearing this all over the city of Vienna?
Well, I definitely feel proud and to showcase our traditional attire in this festival. It feels amazing. And to showcase this to them and show them that yes, we are Garo and we are proud of who we are. It feels amazing. People really love the dress, the attire, especially the jewelry, and basically even in the trams and the metros, heads were turning and all eyes were on us.
Boleh fikir, sengau tenan dek toh. Idah hari ikong Jacqueline. Ibala ya nyadu mene nadu nak jaka sa hadu ni jaka bun bah ka kibun bah ki jaka ki bah ngiyo ban ya la kalong lingba ki tram ne lingba ka metro ne la ki jing ya kejat ne ke ki jing sngau ku jong pi pen riam mi ka riam tenrai hang ni hari nong we
Ti mentalas ni bangi riam da kani ka riam tenrai la jong ti ngada so sarong sha habang ayat ha ki surok jong kani ka Vienna but ru ha kani ka venue bangi don menta ngathari ngina longkum ki spotlight mo porngi wan hang ni venue ru ngina shlongkum ki tu ki showstoppers so wingi so sarong shisha ba ban pongi ki riam tenrai la jong so that's all
yang ye kenu ru ne ye kiwi pat ki perlok na kiwi pat ki jela jong kari India ki ong mangim jutip ba hami hala ru ki juspong
ngasngeu tenat ban phong ye kariam jongi kum ki jaintia ban pen I ba kene kade kariam tenrai jongi long ba ngisngeu serong yila de ba ngi don la ka jong ka riam ka beitenat bat ka ba pen ngeu tenat ye ki wei ru ban pej singi ban phai ki khmat singi ka long ba kat no ki long ngilong ya pher na kariam jong ki wei
aksen ningkong I ka Royal Enfield hang ni kadang katai teh hang teh ka 4G Royal Enfield hani nu bawan dan tai bang lah ha jan kesngi sak kada isyo ba kada I wandur ba nilai dap nani na po Indian Embassy ngini le nyapat sa shawai jaka ti siai biram khasi si de play poi ngamori mori sakut hang ni namut bani kenu gas kini don ni perlok kiwana India hi basa hang ni tiba lesi ngang ni kren yo banda tip company aspang jong kani keri hang ni bat kumnu baphiru phila banwan hang ni ke jakamu ti sipe ni video hani ka next bang step tiken mau ban sa share like subscribe pinang issue ki video ki babon ki bang ngale nang po Rio Austria sa share me pi ko pak video risbon manchu la tu guy layong bye tar manchu mansi dos
kalong gay ka ba sengu tanat bat ka ba sengu khain bat pni ka tanrai ka jong la jong namar ka de ke memori nga jingi ka bangi phong gi jan tanrai ka jingi ka pen ithui thau ya ka jinglong khasi tanrai ka jongi te bon ki bom de tip ki kli tingi batai bat ang sorang si ka dai bangi yo ban phong shabar ka jalla ka jongi yakini ki riam ki jongi
meneling asngo ba udan duwe wa kana ba PJP long kum tu klawat kum tu utau chief jong kanur ka tribe mo wong meneh ne hante nga syuk sngo liak ayu yu dia video ya ka jingong neki we de
kibun baki ong ba ikum ki warrior mah kum ki nong yakun thama te khandiat ni oban batai phang usim trot sing jongi ukhlo lani ukhlawai ka jongi te ngisung sarang ban yo sngom ta ban yo ban samlem ya ka arti gustor jongi ba kumjuru ya ki nong malenti lani kita ki riu shulur ki riu perkap dan lani ki kelawat jong kari khasi jongi ting stunat kata bat sngom sarang kumju hi teng la sngom kum tau kelawat ba long kumunchong no ban long nuksan ba ki veru ko ju te samrki bra bangim long bangam dei kum ta taman rai shu stunat bangi kiryam kum ta ma
te nga te kham dariam than ko mi bariam mi bakrau ten reu la kataru ngi dai la ka jong ko benta ban le ban ngi so sorong ya kani karyam ka ba ka yeng ka sam ka ba ka culture ka riti ka dustur jongi ka ayengi. One, piharian modal lima. 1, 2, 3, 1. Dah, kali. Fascinating, bro. Done.